Many times we don't think if what we eat is healthy or if our nutrition has a repercussion on our health. My name is Julian Sepulveda and I'm going to show you how is my diet and what I learned about my nutrition. First, I need to say that the diet is the set of food and the balance between different products like vegetables, fruits, grains, and meat. In some occasions, the people consume a big quantities and increase the risk to develop obesity. And according with OMS, each year 2 million of people die for this reason. But in other places, the malnutrition is one of the main causes of death. Besides this, the diet has been associated with the development of different diseases such as hypertension and diabetes. For the reason it's so important to evaluate our eating habits and generate change. But now I'm going to show you my eating habits. According to my daily report, I have some conclusion about my way to eat. First, I don't have much time to cook because my schedules are very heavy. Second, I like the junk food, the pizza, the hamburger, the ice cream, and obviously the Coca-Cola. And three, some days I decide not to eat the breakfast or lunch. I could classify my nutrition like unhealthy, and I feel bad because I started medicine and I recognize the health implication of a bad diet. Let's talk about more specifically about my food. In the breakfast, I like to eat with eggs, arepa, bread, sandwich, and coffee. This is a high consumption of carbohydrates, which are associated with an increased risk of diabetes and heart disease. The idea will be include four groups of food, for example, vegetable, fruits, animal products like eggs, milk, yogurt, cheese, ham, etc., and grains like oatmeal. In the lunch, my main dish is chicken and rice. This in medical terms will not meet my daily needs because the people need to, for example, to consume different food. For example, the iron for the vegetables to reduce the risk to have anemia is a condition where you have a deficiency of blood cells and more consumption of meat. For example, with fish. In the diner, many people say that not having diner is so healthy, and maybe be true. But we as students require to eat well. You need to eat a lot fat food, but it's not my case because I love the hot dogs, pizza, and empanadas. In my daily life, I did different activities. For example, I see the virtual classes, go to a practice, to the clinic, Fundación Valle de Lili, and some days I go to a gym or go to running around my neighborhood. This is positive, and in fact, 2 months ago, I managed to lose about 4 kilograms of weight. And finally, I could say that the correct diet contributes to having better energy levels and academic achievements, in addition to having a good physical and emotional state. This doesn't mean that we shouldn't consume junk food. The important thing is not to eat all the time. Thank you so much.